Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to add the following two fractions. So the fractions are 26 upon 29 and 12 upon 17. Now in order to proceed further, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 29 and 17 will be 29 multiplied by 17. Why so? Because both 29 and 17 are prime numbers, and we know that two prime numbers only have one common factor, that is equals 1. So their LCM will be equals 29 multiplied by 17. Therefore, the denominator of the given fraction is going to be 29 multiplied by 17. Now 29 multiplied by 17 when divided by 29 will produce 17. So 17 multiplied by 26, and the next one will be 29 multiplied by 12, because 17 when divided by 29 multiplied by 17 will produce 29. So 29 multiplied by 12, or rather we can say in a different way. We can say that 29 multiplied by 17 when divided by 17 will produce 29. So 29 multiplied by 12 will be the next term. So let's simplify it further. So 26 multiplied by 17 will be equals 442, and 29 multiplied by 12 will be equals 348, and in denominator we have 29 multiplied by 17, which is equals 493. So 442 plus 348 will give us 790. So 790 upon 493 will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.